Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find roaming oak timber and flawless fluorite in Heartopia. So these are two important materials used for crafting furniture, and the good news is that you can collect each of them once per day. And their locations will change every day. Sometimes they appear in front of a player house, and other time they spawn in their original areas. Like for the flawless fluorite can normally be found around Onsen Mountain over here. This one at the near the Onsen Mountain Lake, this area. And then for the roaming oak timber, it will spawn at this spirit oak pine forest over here. And then just keep in mind that their locations will reset every day at 6 a.m. server time, so be sure to check again after the daily reset. And for today locations, the Flawless Fluorite is in front of house number 6 over here, this area, and then next just farm it like this. And then for the roaming oak timber, it's located at the in front of house number 12. Over there is located on here, this area in front of house number 12, and then next just farm it like this. And okay, that's all for this quick guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.